HubSpot and Google as co-sponsors. And we're really, really excited to be able to do this close to home. You know,
There's a lot of things being made right here that you don't really realize. And manufacturers all have mostly the same pain points for things. They're not great at branding. They haven't really identified what they should be leading with. They struggle attracting talent. I think that's a big thing for manufacturers and just skilled trades in general. We aren't going into them as much. And for these companies to be able to attract good talent, they have to have a really strong web presence because kids use the internet to look for jobs. And if they come on a terrible website that doesn't explain anything about what they do, they're like, I don't really want to work there. So from an attracting talent standpoint, your web footprint is huge as a manufacturing company. And it's something that, you know, in the Youngstown area or Cleveland or Pittsburgh, we all sort of struggle with the same thing as manufacturing companies. And being able to get everybody around and discuss common pain points together and then say, well, you know, you're not alone. This is how we've helped other companies identify these issues and then put together a plan to overcome them is something that we've had a lot of success with from working with customers. And we love it because they take small steps, but they make huge changes to their organization. So specializing in marketing for manufacturers is great because you can do, as long as you do it smart, you can do a little bit of work and get a lot of traction. So
what are some of the common struggles that you see in manufacturing when it comes to their marketing efforts?
So it's generally one person or no person that has been dedicated to marketing in-house, which is it's a challenge. And if there is somebody, they wear a lot of different hats. So they're not just the marketing person. They're answering customer service